Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Hi guys, I am going to bake this afternoon for tomorrow's bread. See the bread there guys. This is it now guys. Let's open the plastic. Ayan. Lagay tayo ng ano. Ayan. Dali lang maglagay ng slash. Wala brush eh. Kari na lang. Wala akong brush guys. Ayan po. Tapos na po naglagay. Tapos na po yung ano. Margarine, butter rather. I-bake na natin guys. Diyan ko muna ilagay. Okay. Lagyan natin ito guys. I put around 410. So 30 minutes po ang bake guys. Babalik po tayo mamaya. This is not the bread guys. Finish. Nice loaf. Very nice. Oh wow, very soft. And look at this one. Nice. So the rest are cooking here. The cheese bread. Okay guys, ito na po yung cheese bread guys. Look at. Maapaw. I need to take this one out. Wait. Yan na po guys. Yung cheese bread po. Ayan. Masarap. Galing. Tingnan nyo po sa ilalim. Very soft. Tingnan nyo po sa ilalim guys. So, yan po ang cheese. Oh, tingnan nyo po. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your comments everyone. Bye for now. See you later. I'll be back.